I am home from the gym and I am starving. It's around 11 o'clock. I haven't eaten. I went to the gym this morning and I did some running on the treadmill. Then I did some cardio on the rower. I was in there about an hour. Then from there, I had to go meet my trainer for my strength training. This dude was trying to kill me. I was like, I haven't eaten. He like, I don't care. He's like, let's get to it. So we did. Another hour with him. Came home, just showered, washed all that sweat off of me, and I'm ready to eat. I'm starving. I'm having to make myself a cheeseburger. That's right, a cheeseburger. Let me tell you what I'm having. Woo! Spicy black bean burgers. Looks good. That's how I'm gonna try it. I haven't tried it. I'm gonna see. And then I have my dairy-free cheddar. I have had this before. It does taste really good. Tastes like cheese. And then I have my ranch. Follow your heart. I like this product. This tastes good. And put that on the bread. I have bagel. Bagel that is vegan. And I'm going to put this all on there with some spinach and some avocado. It should taste amazing. We shall see. All right, so I have my bagels there. One side I have my spinach. The other side I have another slice of cheese and my half of a avocado for good fat. That looks pretty damn good, don't it, y'all? I'm going to try it out. Let's see how it tastes now. Let's see how it tastes. All right, here we go. Mighty tasty. Very good. Very good. I'm going to enjoy this because I'm starving. Ooh, that is good. Wow. If you want to try it out, you might want to get the ingredients. If you're thinking about being a vegan or trying to more plant-based foods, try this out. You do not have to give up taste just because it's vegan. This shows right here, you can have something amazingly good and still fulfill your cravings for meat and dairy and all of that stuff, but healthy. But healthy. Try it out. Leave a comment. If you do, let us know how you like it.